Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin. Before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming videos that could be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, and Patreon as well. And for my Patreon member, I create the videos about the next Tezos. So if you miss the run for the Tezos, this is the next altcoin will become the next Tezos. And also for the I also create a bonus video for my crypto dive master Patreon. So if you're interested, you can join my Patreon group. Let's talk about Bitcoin quickly. Let's see. So right now the BTC USD long position is not that remarkable at this time. But if you see the short position, uh, look at that. The short position has been done already. So I don't see any reason to continue to pump. But then but the but the halving is also coming up as well, right? So there's a lot of outlet talking about that potential pump to 14K or 12K or whatever. And then as people are saying that I'm planning to sell during that time. And all this different opinions and everything, I think is really up to the whale how they want to play the game. But the thing is, when you look at the volume, I don't see the volume. But the thing is, this is such a small market cap. The whale can can manipulate the price of Bitcoin. But in terms of the short position, you can tell. There's no reason to pump, and the long position, oops, and the long position, they may have potential to dump actually. So let me know what you think about this. Right now we have 2 more days before halving, and 2 more days before halving, and then the reward will be from 12.5 coin per block to 6.25. So the mining difficulty will be getting more and more severe, more difficult. That will be higher. So and another thing I want to point out, there's a lot of bullish news coming around in the media. They say Bitcoin hits 10K, Paul to door buy BTC compared to gold. But the thing is, he buy the future contract. He did not buy the actual Bitcoin. So this future contract basically settled in US dollar. It's not in actual Bitcoin. So that's the thing. So people just read the headline, thinking, oh, this guy is buying, I'm going to buy. But then he's only buy the future contract. He's not buying the real stuff. So people need to be skeptical. Like another thing, the whole bunch of bullish news, like big Bitsing is a Hong Kong-based cryptocurrency firm. They launched funds with 6,600 BTC, over 65 million to increase Bitcoin holding. And we have so many bullish news. People are talking about when are they going to sell, maybe 12K, they're going to sell. And then you have Bitcoin ICE first 9-week bull run as options, open interest hit 1 billion. The thing is like, if the future market, basically more volume, that's mean more likely they are going to manipulate the price of Bitcoin. So if the future contract do not have much volume, it's very difficult to manipulate the price. Right now, looks like the volume is getting higher. So people seems to be bullish. So this may or may not be the case. It really depending on how the whale how they want to play the game, basically. So right now we're in a greed territory. So I'm not sure. Maybe there will be a pump before the halving, and then after the halving will be a dump, or this time will be different. The pump is not that remarkable at all. There's so many. There's so many school of thought right now. So let me know what you think about all this. Do you plan on selling a Bitcoin when it hit to 12K or 14K, or what do you think? Are you going to buy or are you going to sell? But the thing is, buy is not like chasing the high. Okay, I only buy something when they meet the indicator. If they don't meet it, I'm not going to buy it. I will wait. So if sometimes if you miss that chance, you got to wait. You cannot just like FOMO in, otherwise you losing money easily. So it got to be you know, if you want to be a good trader, you got to be have a plan what you want to do for each trade, entry and exit strategy as well. So let me know what you think about Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin. Do you think we're going to have a pump before the halving? And another thing is also tied to the stock market as well. So far, right now, it looks like Bitcoin follow the stock market. If the stock market do not go downhill, then Bitcoin may have more rooms to go, right? But then if the stock market receives some type of news shocking the market, then that will also dragging the Bitcoin as well. Right now, it seems like there's a linkage between the stock market and the Bitcoin as well. And of course, I talk about the physical gold and the paper gold is already decoupled. So hopefully, in the future, Bitcoin will decouple from the traditional stock market. That would be good, right? Especially right now, you have the epidemics, the pandemic, the lockdown, and everything. Every day is a headline about unemployment, stuff like that. So, but it doesn't matter. The stock market is still doing fine, right? So let me know what you think about the direction of Bitcoin. I would love to hear from you. So if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, also share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming videos. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as Patreon as well. Remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency, stock market, and commodity can have inherent risk. Please use your due diligence.